For all of human history, we have stared into the darkness and asked the ultimate question. Where did all this come from? Our science has given us a name for the origin story, the Big Bang, a moment 14 billion years ago, when everything in existence erupted from a point of infinite density. But this answer has always felt incomplete. It is a story that begins at chapter 1, with no explanation of what came before. What was there before the beginning? What if the Big Bang was not a beginning at all? What if it was an end? The incredible, mind-shattering truth suggested by new research at the edge of physics is that our universe was not born from a mysterious nothingness. It was born from a tomb. It was born from the heart of a black hole. This theory begins by confronting the greatest problem in cosmology, the singularity. The idea that everything was once crushed into an infinitely small, infinitely dense point where the laws of physics simply break. Many physicists now believe a true singularity is a mathematical impossibility. It is a sign that our theories are incomplete. Nature does not permit infinities. So what really happens when a universe of matter collapses? It does not just vanish, it rebounds. Imagine a universe that existed before our own, an ancient dying cosmos, trillions of years old. All its stars have burned out. All its energy has faded. All that remains are countless black holes, silently consuming the last dregs of matter. Eventually, even these black holes merge, until all the information of that entire dead universe is contained within one final supermassive black hole. This is where the magic and the physics happens. According to quantum mechanics, information can never be destroyed. The story of that previous universe, every particle, every star, every event is still encoded within that black hole. As the black hole evaporates over eons through Hawking radiation, it acts as an observer of its own contents. And as we know from the quantum world, the act of observation changes everything. This process could be the trigger for a colossal quantum rebound. The black hole does not just fade away. The information of a dead cosmos compressed to an unimaginable density erupts. It unfurls not into its old universe, but into a new dimension, a new space-time. That eruption, that violent, creative explosion is what we call our Big Bang. We are living in the recycled, reborn aftermath of a universe that died. The creator of our cosmos was the ghost of a black hole from a reality that came before. The secrets of creation are the most profound mysteries we can explore. If this journey into the heart of reality fascinates you, if you feel that you are part of something larger, then join our expedition. Subscribe to CosmoQuest 888 and activate the notification bell. Together, we will continue to question everything we think we know about the cosmos. This is not just a wild guess. This is a theory known as black hole cosmology, and it is supported by some of the greatest minds in physics, including Nobel laureate Sir Roger Penrose. His theory of conformal cyclic cosmology, or CCC, proposes this exact mechanism. A universe lives, it expands, it fades, and it dies. Its essence collected into black holes. Then, this end becomes the seed for the Big Bang of the next universe, the next eon, in an infinite cosmic cycle. The evidence for this could be hidden in plain sight. Penrose argues that the faint radiation from black holes in the previous universe would have left subtle scars on our own, faint temperature rings in the cosmic microwave background that we might one day detect. This completely reframes our existence. The fundamental laws of our universe, the physical constants that seem so perfectly fine-tuned for life to exist, might not be a random miracle. They could be an inheritance. The DNA of the parent universe, encoded in the black hole that birthed us, could have set the parameters for our own reality. We are living by the rules of a cosmos that we can never see, a ghost that whispers the laws of our existence from beyond the veil of our own creation. Think about what this means. The matter in your body, the iron in your blood, the carbon in your bones, was not just forged in the heart of stars in our universe. It could have been forged in the stars of the universe that existed trillions of years before our own. It fell into a black hole, was crushed, transported, and reborn as the hydrogen and helium of our own Big Bang. We are all the children of a black hole. We are all made of the ashes of a reality that is gone forever. This vision of a cyclical universe, of realities budding off from one another, is majestic and terrifying. It means the black holes we see in our own night sky are not just objects of destruction. They are not just endings. They are seeds. Every black hole in our own galaxy, from Sagittarius A star at our core to the countless smaller ones, is a potential parent. Each one is slowly collecting the information of our time, the story of our stars and our world. And in the far distant, cold future of our own universe, when all our own lights have gone out, each of these black holes could become the Big Bang for a new universe. They will become the silent, unseen creators of a reality that will never know we existed. The cycle is eternal. The creator is not a distant, transcendent being. It is a physical process, a process of death and violent quantum rebirth. The universe is a forest, and every black hole is a seed for a new tree, a new reality with new possibilities. Our beginning was the end of something else, and our end will be the beginning of everything for someone new.